All right, history buffs, let's dive deep into the murky waters of World War II and uncover how Germany's U-boats nearly tipped the scales, and why they ultimately didn't. Picture this. It's 1939. The German Navy has just 23 ocean-going U-boats, but they're not here for a phony war. These underwater hunters are sleek, silent, and deadly. Their mission? To cut off Britain's lifeline. The merchant ships delivering vital supplies. Led by Admiral Karl Dönitz, a veteran of WWE's submarine campaigns, Germany's U-boat crews were among the best. Early on, they scored big victories, sinking the British aircraft carrier HMS Courageous and dozens of merchant ships. By 1940, with bases along France's Atlantic coast, the U-boats launched what they called their happy time, sinking 217 Allied ships in just a few months. The odds seemed in Germany's favor. But here's the thing about war. It's a race of innovation. Churchill knew Britain's survival depended on the seas. He brought back the convoy system, grouping merchant ships with naval escorts. It wasn't perfect, but it bought time, and time was something the Allies desperately needed. The turning point came in 1941. Technology like radar and ASDIC sonar turned the tide. Allied planes and ships began hunting U-boats with deadly precision. By 1943, for every 3 merchant ships lost, 1 U-boat was destroyed. Dönitz's wolf packs were no longer invincible. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, the U-boats prowled American waters in what they called their second happy time. They sank ships so close to the coast that some crews could see New York City's lights. But as American convoys took shape, the losses mounted for Germany. And let's not forget the Liberty ships, mass-produced Allied freighters that replaced losses faster than U-boats could sink them. By 1945, the writing was on the wall. Germany had lost nearly 800 U-boats and over 30,000 submariners. Yet even with new advanced models like the Type I, it was too little, too late. The Allies had seized control of the Atlantic, ensuring the flow of troops and supplies that would ultimately liberate Europe. So, what's the takeaway? The Battle of the Atlantic wasn't just a fight for control of the seas, it was a battle of resilience, innovation, and sheer determination. U-boats came terrifyingly close to victory, but the Allies adapted, evolved, and overcame. And there you have it, how Germany's U-boats almost won the war, but ultimately sank under the weight of Allied ingenuity. If you enjoyed this dive into history, then give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which topic you'd like to explore next. Until next time, keep your curiosity afloat.